In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link issues in Jira. If you work in agile software development, product management, or Scrum, you already know how important issue relationships are. Linking tickets helps your team see what is blocking progress, which tasks are related, and whether duplicate work is being created. Instead of manually tracking dependencies in scattered notes or separate fields, Jira gives you a much cleaner way to manage those connections directly inside your project. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira site or sign in through the official Atlassian login page. Once you're in, head to your active project and open the specific issue you want to work with. This could be a story, bug, task, or any other ticket where you want to create a relationship. Opening the issue first is important because it gives you access to the full detail view where the linking tools are available. After the issue is open, look near the top of the issue details panel for the link issue option. Click it once and Jira will open the link management panel for that ticket. This is where you define how the current issue should connect to another one. Next, choose the relationship type carefully. This step matters because the label you select tells your team exactly how the two issues are connected. For example, use blocks if the current issue is stopping another task from moving forward. Use is blocked by if this issue depends on something else being completed first. Select relates to when the connection is useful but not a strict dependency. And if the ticket is redundant, uses duplicated by to clearly mark that duplicate relationship. Once the relationship type is set, move to the search for issues field. Here, type the issue key if you know it, or enter keywords from the issue summary to help Jira find the correct match. As you type, Jira will show suggestions automatically. Click the correct issue from the list to lock it in. This helps reduce mistakes and makes linking much faster than typing everything manually. If you're already writing in a rich text field like the description area or a comment, there's also a quicker shortcut. Type a / followed by link issue, then press enter. Jira will open an inline linking tool right from your cursor position, which is a great option when you want to keep your workflow moving without switching back to the main toolbar. When everything looks right, click the link button at the bottom of the panel. Jira will save the relationship immediately. As a final check, review the linked issues section on the ticket and confirm the issue key, summary, and status appear correctly. That way, you can be sure your new issue